Good morning, class. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine and studying well at your homes. So, we have completed up to here and you have done your homework also. The pages were different. Pages match नहीं कर रहे थे जिनकी वजह से आपको दिक्कत हुई, परेशानी हुई. एक्चुअली माई बुक इज़ ओल्ड एंड आपकी न्यू है तो थोड़ा बहुत डिफरेंस होगा, बट कंटेंट वही है, सेम है ना, मैटर वही है, बट थोड़ा सा उसको अलग तरीके से पूछा गया है. तो पैनिक मत होइएगा. इफ कोई भी डिफिकल्टी आएगी यू कैन आस्क मी. क्लियर? सो टुडे विल सॉल्व हियर. लिसन एंड आंसर. Listen and answer the questions used describing words. Okay, now we have to listen and answers by using what? Describing word. जो चीज़ों को डिस्क्राइब करता है. लाइक हियर, व्हाट इज द बॉय वियरिंग? बॉय क्या वियर किया हुआ है? ग्रीन शर्ट. यू कैन राइट ब्लू पैंट ऑल्सो. ठीक है, वियर क्या किया, तो यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है? ग्रीन शर्ट. आप यहाँ पे ग्रीन शर्ट लिख सकते हैं. और क्या पहना उसने? ब्लू पैंट पहना है उसने शूज पहना है ब्लू कलर के. तो आप ये भी लिख सकते हो. ओके, वॉट एवर यू फील. Like here, what is this? What is this? Tell. What is this? It is a horse. Now here we will write horse. Okay. Now what is this? It is a warm tea. Okay, warm tea. क्यों? यहाँ से देखो ना धुआं निकल रहा है, means it is a warm tea. What do you see in the sky? What do you see in the sky? Very good. It is a yellow kite. What is this? Okay, very good. It is a yellow sun. Now what is this? You can write here round or half lemon. You can also write yellow lemon. Yes, whatever you feel you can describe it. What do you wear in winters? What do you wear in winter? These all you wears in winter, na? So you will write. Now you have to take only one. Which one you wear most probably? So you can write here purple gloves, green cap. You can write green cap, or here you can write gray jacket. Yes, whatever you wear. What is this? It is a red rose. What is this? What is this? A circle. You can write a white circle. You can write white circle. Okay. What do you see in the glass? Blue water. Clear? You can also write here horse. For horse, you can write here riding horse. Okay? In this way, you will do this. Come to the next page. Write correct describing words along the meaning. Along the meaning हमें सही words लिखना है. Like here you can see एक girl है, उसके long hair है. Now this boy is there. What we can write here? We can write here fat boy. Also what we can write here? Also we can write here happy boy. Now these are two girls. Now what are they are doing? Dancing, na? So you can write dancing girls. Or you can write short girls. Okay, whatever you feel to describe here. Now what is this? It is a stars. You can write here twinkling stars. Or you can write here black sky. Okay, like this you can write. Who is he? He is a who is he? Dog. So you can write here barking dog. Or you can write black dog. Clear? In this way you can write. Now here what you can see, eyes. You can write here two eyes. Or you can write beautiful eye. Beautiful eyes. Clear? This you have solved this page, yes, because it was in front of these page ना, पहले था इनके, तो you have solved these all. Okay, so we'll not solve this because you have already solved. Now we'll see next page. Here what it is told, look at the pictures and write 5 describing words with the 5 naming words. Naming words के साथ हमें 5 describing words लिखना है, जैसे dancing peacock, है ना. So और क्या लिख सकते हैं अपन, बताओ आप लोग. Tell. We can write here playing children. Yes, we can write here na playing children. Here birds, so we can write here chirping birds. Okay, and else what we can write, naming words के साथ हमें लिखना है, तो beautiful rainbow we can write. Yes, colorful flowers. Yes, and what we can write, tell green trees. Okay, these are my, ये मैंने देखा है कि इस पिक्चर में, my observation. Okay, you can write your observation also. आप भी खुद से ऑब्जर्व करके लिख सकते हैं, जरूरी नहीं है आप यही लिखें. Clear to everyone? You can see, observe and then you can write. Clear? So in this way we have completed our this chapter. You all complete this in your book and post it in the group. And if you have any doubt, कोई भी difficulty है, नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, नहीं चीज़ें समझ में आ रही हैं, you can ask me in the group. Clear? Thank you class. Have a very wonderful day ahead.